Oh, well, you're starting a new year with a little bit of cool weather, kind of winter type pattern in the next day or so. Not super cold, but temperatures won't be warming up much tomorrow. You see the clouds coming in. This is radar and satellite here over the last about 12 hours, and some sprinkles and light rain showers starting to form and come northward through parts of Hidalgo and Cameron counties. And you see just a lot of clouds flooding in, which will be with us the rest of tonight and tomorrow. So the sunshine, not getting through the clouds tomorrow. Maybe a little bit Thursday afternoon, but tomorrow, not much rain coming down in terms of the amounts that you'll see in your rain gauge, but just some sprinkles and drizzle and very light rain at times. There has been a kind of a weak cold front coming through this evening, but the coldest of air staying back behind it. But some cooler air, a little bit chillier air coming down, and you factor that, combine that with some clouds and drizzle, and keeps it pretty chilly tomorrow. You see temperatures tonight mostly in the 50s and lower 60s, but 40s, 43 in San Antonio, and the really cold stuff where it's below freezing, staying back in North Texas. Tomorrow looks like a cloudy day all around. Temperatures go almost nowhere. We'll start around 49 at 8 a.m., probably hover right around 50 or 51 or so most of the day. Could be a couple degrees warmer near the coast and maybe a degree or two chillier in western Starr County. But generally, these are about the numbers all day long, not changing much. And again, the rain, not heavy stuff, just little sprinkles and light rain at times that will keep temperatures chilly. And then by 10 p.m. tomorrow night, probably the sprinkles and rain kind of winding down, but there's still maybe a little bit as temperatures fall through the 40s. Here we are on Future Track. This is the NAM computer model tonight. The very cold stuff is, again, staying in North Texas, but you see most of the rain also lurking to the north. So tomorrow, a little bit of light rain and drizzle around. It will be maybe a little breezy at the coast if you are going to try some fishing, but most of the winds inland in the valley, only about 15, 20 miles per hour at the most during the day. So chilly and cloudy tomorrow, even a little bit of mixed precipitation with some maybe sleet or snow mixed in at times in West Texas. That stays way off to the west, but as this storm system here kind of forms near the coast and pulls away, I think it will rapidly pull in some dry air on Thursday. So Thursday will probably wake up the clouds, maybe some sun as early as about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but most of the day could still be fairly cloudy. But then by Friday, you see everything clears on out, and then we are looking for some sunshine. So here's a closer look at Future Track tonight. And again, it has some sprinkles and light rain at times throughout tonight. And tomorrow, there's noon, still looking chilly and cloudy, and then there's 4 p.m. tomorrow, still not much change. Tomorrow night, still not much change. By Thursday, clouds in the morning, maybe a sprinkle or two, but you see 11 a.m. still cloudy, and then here comes the clearing late in the afternoon. It may take most of the day to see the sun, but I think some sun could break through just for maybe an hour or two in the afternoon before it's all-day sun on Friday. Around Texas, you saw the chilly weather to the north. It's starting to look more like winter now with some of those cold temperatures up north. I think about a week or two ago we looked at this and it was a lot of temperatures in the 20s and 30s. But now there are some below zero and single-digit numbers up in Minnesota and South Dakota. So there is some chilly air out there, but it's not able to punch down here. At the coast, I meant to show you that. At the coast tomorrow, northerly winds 15 to 20 knots, a little breeze there. Use caution if you're operating small craft from the waters with those slightly breezy conditions. And your first 1570 forecast, temperatures staying chilliest tomorrow, then it does warm up. 60 on Thursday. That's not very warm, but it starts in the 40s in the morning, some clearing late in the afternoon. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, those are about, on a scale of 1 to 10, most of you might say it's about a 9 or 10. It's sunny, nice afternoons, not much wind. Cool in the morning, though. If you're up early, it could be in the 30s Friday morning. And there's a weak front that gets here by about Monday. It has a very, very small chance of a sprinkle or shower, but mostly it just doesn't do much to the weather next week. It stays fairly warm, and long-range forecasts say it should stay warm most of next week. We'll keep tracking those changes in your first 1-5 forecast. See what's up with sports on this night coming up.